Welcome to 218 Valley Road, located in the heart of Cos Cob. This home has a wonderful and inviting front porch. As you enter this center hall colonial, you'll note that it has been gut renovated, just like new construction. First room on the right can be used as a formal living or as a family room. Wood-burning fireplace. As you come in, you have multiple closets, formal dining with coffered ceiling, lovely contemporary features. You have a kitchen, family room with French doors out to the back deck, state-of-the-art appliances, white cabinets. So you have Viking, Sub-Zero, all stainless steel. So now we'll head to the powder and mud room. Mudroom door leads out to the 2-car garage, and we'll take a walk out there later. Let's head up to the second floor. Since the house is practically new, you have lots of big, bright windows. Nice wide hallway leading to the first bedroom, which overlooks the backyard. All custom closets, hall bath, all marble, water closet with pocket door, attached to the second bedroom. Linen closet and master. Master accommodates a king bed very easily. Also overlooks the backyard. Spa bathroom, 2 sinks, water closet, soaking tub, and large walk-in shower, which is also attached to the custom closet. Another pocket door. So let's head up to the third floor. Third floor can either be an additional playroom or office or anything that you might need. It's a nice generic room with lots of space and storage. And now we'll head down to see the lower level, which has additional rooms and storage, and also access to the backyard and garage. Hardwood floors throughout. Home is also a smart home, and the seller will leave all the smart home components. If you ever wanted state-of-the-art with all the conveniences and close to everything, this is the home for you. Minutes to stores, schools, shops, restaurants. Tile floor, nice big, again, family room or playroom. We're going to see the 4th bedroom, which is being used as a spa. Sauna is included. Door to the outside. Full bath that accommodates the 4th bedroom. Additional exercise room, den, office. There is a window. Laundry room, Electrolux, sink, storage, smart home components, and again, state-of-the-art utility room. So we'll head out the door and take a look at the garage. Exercise room over the garage, backyard and deck. Lots of nice stonework, large deck with a TV and gas piped directly to the grill. We'll head up those stairs in a minute. So large parking court 2-car garage, all garage teched. Lots of wonderful storage and pretty to look at. Now we'll head into the fully fenced backyard. So you have nice big backyard, all fenced, nice plantings, and then a nice little surprise over the garage. Again, these guys use it as a exercise room, but you could use it as an office. There is heat and AC, or you could use it for whatever you want. Nice game room, clubhouse. And then here's a nice shot of the backyard. Thank you, and if you need additional information, please give me a call, and we can get you into the house to view it privately.